Got a question about how to convert Inventor to AutoCAD for the drawing and retrieve some of the annotations and things like that, the block details. So got a part here. Going to come up to the first, show you that. Got a couple of overrides here so you can show that how it keeps the settings. So if we're on sheet 1, go to File, Save As. There's a couple of different options. We can either save it as an Inventor drawing or an IDW. So first we're going to save it as an IDW. Okay, then I'm going to do Save As. I'm going to save it as an Inventor drawing. Okay, so now we have our Inventor DWG and an Inventor IDW. So the same as far as Inventor thinks, but I'll show you why. So when we bring it up over to AutoCAD, it'll give us our white paper space here. We can double click on that, and it doesn't really do much. Now we can go sheet 1, sheet 2. If we actually wanted to, we could right click on here and export layout to model. So we're going to call it sheet 1. And open it up. So now we have our actual drawing here. We can edit our block in place. We can go through and look at all our objects. You still have your layout 1 here. So that's one way to do it. Just save it as an Inventor DWG from there. Or if we come back over, we can do File, Save As, Save Copy As, AutoCAD Drawing. So now you'll see that we have two different sheets, sheet 1 and 2, that were generated. So bring this over, AutoCAD Drawing Sheet 1. Now we have a more traditional AutoCAD look. When you actually click on the block here, it'll come out with all your information. So if you're really trying to get it back over into AutoCAD, I think that's the better way to go, because that way you actually can get into your lines and change things around. Whereas on the other one, if you just do it as an Inventor drawing, it kind of blocks it up. So in here, File, Save As, Save Copy As. You can either do Inventor drawing or you can do DXF, JPEG, things like that. So there's a couple different ways to get you going, and hope that helps.